my people, let's cook spaghetti. So I'll go in with my groundnut oil, onions and garlic, spread together, salt, chili, again, my diced tomatoes. I'm gonna mix everything together. Then I like to heat a little bit in with my thyme, curry. The other burner is my spaghetti parboiling. So I'm gonna stir everything together so that I can have a taste with my green diced paprika. Okay. Protein I'm using is grilled chicken. With my boiled water. This is boiling. I'll bring it to my seasoning cubes. Add in the little bit of salt for taste. Pepper, grinded pepper. So go in with my parboiled spaghetti. Let's stir all together to mix together. Cover to do the final cooking. Spaghetti, so I'm adding a cup of eggs to it. My people, my spa is ready. Thanks for watching.